In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to export recordings, voices, or any other in Reaper to WAV files. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Reaper like you usually would. Then from here, you need to select the clip that you want to export as a WAV file. Then from here, you need to go over to the file up here in the menu and go down to render. Then from here, you'll see this page right here. Then you need to add in the source, and you can click either master mix or any of these other options over here. You can add the bounce if you want the entire project rendered or just part of the project. Then from here, you can add in the file name to it, and you can add whether it should render to. Then from here, you need to go down to format and change it from whatever it stands on to a .wav file like so. Then from here, you need to click render one file, and then it should be looking something like this. Now it is done rendering. You can either open folder to see your WAV file, or you can close it down like so. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!